Maintenance for the Anden steam humidifiers is very simple. You walk up to the unit and press the on-off button, which initiates a drain sequence. That drain sequence takes about 4 minutes to completely drain the water out of the unit. When the water is completely out of the unit, you'll go to the electrical box and turn power off, high voltage power to the unit. When that's done, you can simply loosen the front screw, removing the cover, and you'll see the canister inside of here that we're going to replace. You'll take the steam hose off the top, both electrode wires, and the high water pin. Then we can just simply remove the canister out of the unit. Inside of here, in the drain, we'll look around to see if there's any garbage in there, any mineral buildup in there. Remove the O-ring and replace with the O-ring that comes with the new model AS80 canister. Once the drain is cleaned out, new O-rings in, we'll take the brand new canister, slide it back into place. After our canister's back in, we have 3 wires to connect. We have our 2 high voltage plugs. It doesn't matter where they go. On here, they can go on either post, and they only fit on those 2 posts. And then we have our high water pin, which only will fit on that post. We'll put the front cover back on. Go back to our electrical box, turn on power, and turn the unit on. Initiate a call from the humidistat, and allow the unit to fill and start making steam again.